This is our second Sunday, but this is the first one that we're actually going to church. Free food is always a good idea.
So it was like a nothing like that.
And I finally found a Starbucks. Finally. This is like the second one I've seen since I got to this country. And I got a free drink. Free drinks. Free food is always a good idea. So I had tacos from Taco Bell for the first time. I got it with chips and drinks and I ate it. So I just had some of my husband's fries instead. But it was a nice lunch. It was really nice to be in the food court. After lunch, we set out to go to the supermarket to buy some groceries and some food stuff for the house. Temptation. Boys. See how much it is. Relax. Back home now. After a long bus ride, and I just want to cook jollof rice. First Sunday, no, not first Sunday. This is our second Sunday, but this is the first one that we're actually going to church. We're going to RCCG in Scarborough. We're invited by my husband, a former pastor that relocated to Canada years ago. So that's like the closest one to us, I think. And this is the fit. I look like a gangster, but I don't care. This is the only thing I have to wear right now that will be comfortable. If I wear a dress, I'll have to wear heels. I don't want to be wearing sneakers on a dress to church. So the only thing I can wear sneakers on is pants. So pants it is. And I'm wearing this jacket just in case there's cold, because we have a lot of waka today. After church, we're still going to do some house tour. You know, we're still apartment hunting, and apartment hunting is so annoying and it's taking so much time. Let me show you guys the full fit in the mirror. This is the full fit. I think I look good. I don't think I look good. I know I look it might not look so churchy, but like, what is churchy at the end of the day? So I'm wearing this nice, cute ass denim, black denim jacket. It's oversized, but why not? My gel bag. This was this little tank top and high-waisted jeans with my black Nikes. So come with me to church.
My wife touched me. She held my hand. And I am like, it's by the renewing of your mind. I told the first service that there was a couple many years ago, I counseled with them. When oxytocin is released, speaking in tongue cannot help you anymore.
Best commerce package. So after church service, we were both so hungry, and since we were taking the bus back home instead of a taxi, we decided to find somewhere to eat. And yeah, so we came across this place where there were a lot of options to eat, and we decided to eat at Nando's. What made you think that is Nigeria? Which one do you want to enter?
Let's see how Johnny pays.
From Salon. Shop life. If you saw my Cape Town vlog, you would have seen that the first time that we had Nando's was actually in Cape Town, South Africa. And since in Canada, it's actually hard to find somewhere to eat as a Nigerian Yoruba girl that loves pepper. So the safe choice was just Nando's because they tend to have like different levels of spices for their food. Like you have the one that is hot, you want the one that is medium hot, you have the one that is very, very hot. So yeah, we went there and we decided to have their platter, which had corn, it had chicken. I had the flaming hot. I had yam fries, which is what I'm eating here. We had the rice, curry rice, and everything was just so good. It's obvious that it's good because of the way I'm dancing, because I really enjoyed it, especially the corn. Like the corn is always the best part because they have different flavors for their corn. Rice is not sweet as that one. The corn, eats. Can pack the rest now. It's sweet though. As you can see, the food was a lot, so I couldn't finish it. I decided to pack some and take home. And yeah, before we were going to head home, we decided to go and check out some apartments that were available and see if we liked them. So this is us heading for our apartment hunt. So much work.
Yeah, 437 755 1724.
So he was able to speak with the agents and we're given a clear time to come back. So we decided to just head home because we actually checked out a lot of places. We decided to take the bus this time instead of the taxi. And yeah, waiting at the bus station for the bus to come pick us up.